everyone, I'm Eyelashes, and if you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you some of the products I'll be using throughout this video. So right now I'm showing you my Dawn dish soap that I will be using to clean my lashes. And then I'm showing you a bowl because you're going to need a bowl full with or filled with warm water. So it is some warm water in there. And then some tweezers to get the glue off. And of course, your lashes. And you can kind of see it wasn't a bad glue day. Sometimes I have more glue on my lashes than that, but I just wanted to show you that the glue is on there before I put it in the bowl. Alright, so now it's time to apply the Dawn dish soap to the warm water in the bowl. And then I will be putting my lashes ever so gently using my tweezers in the bowl. And then I'm going to allow them to soak overnight. Alright, so it is now the next day and I am taking my lashes out with my tweezers and applying this lash onto a dry paper towel just so it can get a little damped and have less water on it. And now it's time to take off the glue using those same tweezers, and look what little to any force is coming right off. And that's what you want, because that allows you to make sure you don't rip your lashes and you can still get the glue off, because I know getting glue off your lashes can be a pain in the you know what. So I'm showing you now how they look, and I'm also showing that when you actually wet the lashes, they lose their shape, and I like to curl them. And how I curl them is I will allow them to go around my finger as I just showed you, and what that does is it makes it look become more round, because our natural eye shape is round. So when you naturally get the lashes, sometimes they look straight. So yeah, that's what I do. But as you're seeing, I'm taking off the glue off the other lashes or other lash and doing the same curling technique, and that's just gonna make it easier so I can actually apply them to my natural, or to my eye actually, because my natural eye shape is not straight, and when you wet them they can turn into like a straight lash strip. So, and I'm now gonna store them in the lashes box that they came in, and it's great for storage and everything. And that's the video. Hope you love it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.